Hello friends, welcome to Ingenie.in. Now you can create your own courses and sell on Ingenie. Build your student network by conducting live classes and webinars. Here's how. This is the Ingenie instructor dashboard. So in this you can see you can view your courses, you can view the users enrolled to your courses, the questions that your students have asked you, and the answers that you have given. So this gives you a complete dashboard on the entire things that you can monitor and do on Ingenie. You come to the icon which is called course. Since we all are here to teach students, you can record your courses here. So you create your courses and we help you sell the courses to the students. In fact, help you enroll students to your course. So here you click on go to course, which is marked in an arrow here. When you enter course, then there is an icon called add course. Click on the icon to create a new course for yourself. Now you are on the add course. Here there are different things which have to be filled in by you for the course that you are creating. This is the category. The category you have to select where do you want to put your course in. This is a subcategory. So basically subcategory would include class or maybe something else. The child category, possibly in that particular class what is the subject that you are offering. The language that you want to use in your teaching. In title you have to add the topic or the chapter name. The slug is also you have to mention the topic or the chapter name. In short detail, you have to add the subtopics of that chapter that you will be covering in the course. Requirements from student sides have to be mentioned here. For example, they would need a paper, a copy, a pen, Wi-Fi connection, a laptop. So all that has to be mentioned here. What are the mandatory requirements to attend your course? Then comes the detail. Describe the subtopic that you have entered and link it with the learning objectives. You can also add a preview video describing your course. So that video you have to record, put it on Vimeo or YouTube and add the URL here. If you are unable to do that, you can also send your pre-recorded video to us. We will do the same for you. Add a preview pic of your course. Preview pic basically would be how you want your course to appear on the landing pages of Ingenie. And click on submit. Now we come to the course again. So you will see your course listed here now, which will be there for approval. So once you get your course created, it looks like it comes in it gets added to your courses. Now to complete the course, click on edit and do a full course, add a full course which is chapter wise, which has to be added chapter wise. Now we come to course include. So you will see the course include is the next tab which is there in the course. Go on to that tab and click on add. So this is click on course, and this is add. So add the topics or the chapters which you are covering in this course. So here you have to just add an icon and detail out the chapter. And click on. Now there is a button called disable. So just you have to click on it and make it enabled so that people can see this, and click on submit. Now we come to the next tab, which is called what learns. So in this, the chapter that you have created, you have to just detail out a bit about your course, that what a child will gain from this course. Click on, so here you click on add, then you see this window, small pop-up coming up. You add the detail of your course, what students are going to benefit from this course, enable it and submit. Now we come to the next tab, which is the course chapter. So now you create chapter wise courses. So this is detailing out again. So click on add, then you add the chapter name, enable it and submit. Now in that particular thing, we are coming to adding a course class. So there would be a possibility that a chapter would take 3 or 4 classes, or 3 or 4 videos, or 3 or 4 live classes to be completed, to complete that particular chapter. So here you you now click on add, then this pop-up window comes in. You enter the chapter name, give a title to your first subject, the subtopic in the chapter. Now choose that it is a live class or a video class. If it is a video class, enter the URL. If it's a live class, then too you have to create the live class and enter the URL here. So you paste your video link or the live class link on this. Then you select the date and timings, when the class is going to happen, the duration of the class. What is the duration of the class? If it's a video, possibly it will be a 10-minute, 15-minute, 20-minute video. So you have to enter that duration. If it's a live class you are taking, possibly if it is a 30-minute class, 45 minutes class, or a 1 hour class, just mention the time duration of that class here. If you again want to give a preview of that particular topic that you are covering in this section, you can just create a small video for it, paste the link here. It can be posted on YouTube or on Vimeo again, or you can seek our help for that. Click on enable and submit the course. So this is one chapter which will be created. So if one particular chapter has possibly 4 classes, then you have to create 4 classes for this, something like this, and submit it 4 times. So then that chapter will be completed, and we will be adding more chapters like this to create a complete course. So possibly if your course has say 10 chapters and can be covered, all the 10 chapters would require 3 or 4 classes, which can be a combination of video or live classes. So you have to create all that here. any related courses, then you can mention. You can just click on add on this button, go to the related course, choose a related course, and enable it and submit. You can add a question here, so click on add your first objective type question, enable it and submit. So this is the answer. Same process for the answer. Click on enable at the last. This is for any announcements that you want to make. So you can just write the announcement here, enable it and submit. Now how will you know that the students that you are teaching are really learning from this course? So you go to the quiz, add a quiz, select your quiz topic. So one quiz possibly can cover the entire chapter, or you can also create the class wise quiz. So after end of every class there can be a quiz. So it depends on you, how do you want to place the quiz for the students, and this will be the tool that you can use so that you know whether the children are really benefiting from your course or not, they are learning from your course or not. You can also monitor it. So here you type your quiz topic, type the quiz description, select the marks for that particular question, the due date, when, in how many days he has to answer this, activate it, enable so that it gets enabled with your course, and save it. So this becomes your quiz. You can add more questions to your quiz. This comes add question. So this is first question that you want to add with the objective type answers, which will be 4 types. Children can select any one. Fill in the correct answer so that it is checked automatically, and click on submit. So the number of questions that you want to put in to check the check your students, you can create as many questions. Then you have to submit the entire course. Your course will be deactivated in a deactive mode till the time it is activated from the backend. Once we go through, our backend team goes through your courses, they will enable it, they will activate it, and it will be there on Enginy. So welcome on board. You can also reach us on Facebook, the ID is given here, on Instagram, on YouTube channel, and if you want any help, this is the WhatsApp number. You can make a call, or you can simply put a WhatsApp message. You can, if you are stuck somewhere, you can just call this number, take the help. So this will be your not 24 hours but at least 20-hour helpline available for you. Thank you, and I again congratulate you to being a part of Enginy.in. All the best and happy selling. Thank you so much.